I gave you my heart.
Back with another video. Just now leaving the gym today. I hope y'all seen my last video about the hoverboard. That was hilarious. My cousin was on there trying to work it, but it was a 13 miles per hour scooter, so she couldn't really control it. I hope y'all go see that one. That was funny. I got on it for a little while, and it wasn't too bad. It was kind of easy though. It's no different from the regular hoverboard that you would just stand up on and just lean over and go. So it wasn't that bad. But I'm thinking about buying one. Comment below and let me know what y'all guys think. You think I should get one? So y'all can see me busting my butt, or y'all think I should get the one you sit down and operate? And it was a lot of fun yesterday. I tried it for my first time, but I'm thinking about getting the one with the music so I can maybe listen to music. I always like to listen to music when I ride, so we'll see on that. But as of right now, I'm just now leaving the gym. About to go head to my brother's house, and I'll see y'all when I get there. Peace. Cruze right there, looking real nice and greasy. Candy paint red, you know. Got that thing looking right. Up the stairs we go. Oh, I'm tired, y'all. Just went to the gym. Did leg day today. I don't really like leg day, but it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta get it in. See what he got going on, y'all. I'll let y'all meet him whenever I get in there. Hold on.
The cough drops and the...
Hold on, y'all. He got a cold today. He got some chips, water. That's my bro right there, y'all. Meet him. Say what's up to the YouTube.
How y'all doing?
Yeah, so he's sick, y'all. So. Oh man, what y'all got going on today?
Nothing much, not a whole lot of really.
Look, y'all, he got a big screen, looking real greasy. You know, that's how we do it. We do big things. You know, never much, just leaving the gym.
Oh, okay. And the rest of the crew at the house was just ripping and running. The rest of the crew just ripping and running at the house.
At the house, chilling. All right, y'all, I'll get back with y'all in a minute.
And what did he say?
He say, well, it's up to you. We can put it in, but it ain't gonna look as good. So y'all, we're gonna go check out this radio that my brother got in his cruze real quick. He got a double in set up. And check it out real quick. Oh, don't get it twisted. He got some beat up in that trunk too.
Kind of look dirty and stuff. So
oh yeah. Look at that. Got the big screen in there.
See how it is? They had to replace these two.
Yeah.
They had to. They had no choice.
Because this whole piece is set up.
Like I say, they had to replace it because of how big the screen was.
Yeah.
They got the built-in navigation.
That's nice.
Showing where exactly everything is at. Oh, go ahead.
I'll get copyrighted if the music playing.
Oh, let me see. HD. It's Spanish, but I'm finna turn it though.
Yeah.
You got all different type of music.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I don't really need a D either.
That's nice.
You got Spotify, Pandora.
Yeah.
I don't remember use this because I don't have it. You got all that.
But yeah, this is his doubled in a 2011 Chevy Cruze. Looking real nice. Let's see, I don't know what he got hanging up there, y'all, but I don't know what that is. Whenever we get back, we're gonna figure out what is that. But y'all, if you don't know, y'all, I used to have one of these Chevy Cruze 2012 model. Had the turbo in it. I had the rear spoiler. It was the RS package. Now these cars are really good on gas and they drive very well. I recommend it, especially if you are driving like long distance, and if y'all drive like far going to work. I really recommend getting one of these. They really nice. They compact, but they really nice. Kind of roomy, good on gas.
Like
and
$27 on a full tank.
Yeah, see, $27 on a full tank. It would be well worth it. So yeah, that looks nice. I can't really play the music, y'all, because I'll get copyrighted on YouTube. But this is what y'all got. I'm gonna have to edit the other version because it had music in it. Y'all know how I go on the YouTube. But that's what it is, y'all. And I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Y'all like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Let me know if y'all think I should get a double din screen in the S10 or the Crossfire. Let me know what y'all think. And like I said, subscribe and like, and hit that notification bell so y'all can see more updates coming up for the new year. So I hope y'all have a happy New Year's, and be careful out there. And like I said, this is gonna be worth it, y'all. So like I said again, this is my brother Kenny King. He might be starting a YouTube channel too. He might or might not. I'm gonna try to get him to start one, and
probably gonna be next year.
It's probably gonna be next year. We're gonna see how they go. But comment below too and let me know if y'all think he should start one or not. And I'll get back with you in a minute on the next video. Peace.
You can get the biggest
System sound good. I see did they shut this off? So that's not operating no more. Real easy to hook up to.